Well, new at 10, the Adams County Health Department and Blessing Hospital are retracting COVID-19 data inputs reported earlier this week. The health department's dashboard was reporting 51 positive cases in the hospital, with none of those patients being vaccinated. However, since that report, Blessing Health System Chief Quality and Safety Officer Dr. Mary Frances Barthel says they realized there was a fault in their internal system that was not correctly retrieving and recording data.
We're able to look up the vaccine status of all the patients on the state database. We just hadn't yet created a convenient, easy way for us to have all that information pulled in so that we can report it out accurately and timely. So that's the part that we're going through right now.
So Barthel says she hopes to have the system fixed and up and running in the next 24 to 48 hours, and the new data will be reported on the health department's dashboard. So right now, the Adams County Health Department dashboard says there are 37 COVID-19 patients in the hospital tonight. As of tonight, Dr. Barthel did not have data to report showing the number of unvaccinated patients versus the amount of vaccinated patients currently receiving care at Blessing.
And with that said, where does Adams County stand on COVID tonight? The data we're looking at here is from the state health department. These numbers are solid. Adams County adding 148 new cases today, and those numbers continue to be pretty big. The 14-day average number of cases per day seen over the last couple of weeks, on average, that number is 64. But as we compress that down into a 7-day average, you can see it's 72. And if we keep getting case counts like today, that's only going to go up. As for vaccinations here in Adams County, as it stands tonight, 42.5% of the total population is vaccinated.
Well, new at 10, the ongoing issue of storm drainage in Palmyra will soon be fixed. Palmyra City Council met tonight to approve the stormwater drainage project on Lafayette Street by the Marion County Courthouse. Now, the cost for the project is around $150,000, about $60,000 over the projected value, but Mayor of Palmyra, Rusty Adrian, says this is something that's needed to be done for years.
The bridges and culverts, they're old. They don't carry the water the way it's supposed to, so it's flooding back into people's yards and into their basements, which shouldn't be. It just needs to be upgraded.
So the project is set to begin in the fall. Other areas in the city of Palmyra are currently being looked at to address their stormwater issues. And more on the City Council meeting new at 10. A grant is in the process of approval to fix the bridges and culverts in Palmyra. The mayor says a grant is being given for the Main Street Cross and North Bradley Street culvert replacements. He says the bridges have become a bigger and bigger issue for residents.
We're looking forward to that because every time it rains, it's just like a river there, especially tonight.
So the mayor says he was authorized to sign the professional services grant with Klingner & Associates. A date has not yet been set for this project.
Another story new tonight at 10, the United Way of Adams County officially launched its Starts With You campaign today. Organizers say the 2021 campaign has a goal larger than last year's of $1.1 million. They say the money through this campaign not only goes toward emergency and disaster relief, but also helps 19 other partner agencies across the county.
What we can do for them is we can invest in them, we can fundraise for them. So this annual campaign is really about us doing what we can as individuals, everyday citizens throughout Adams County, stepping up, raising your hand, saying I will help, I will invest in my friends and neighbors and the programs and services that make the most impact here in Adams County.
And you can learn more at United Way Adams County or adamsco.org/startswithyou. Still